It is 6 a.m. and we are in Dagupan City on a Victory Liner bus, getting ready to head out to Rojas Isabela. We're gonna be jumping off though in Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya. So we'll see how this one goes. Talk to you in a few. Okay, we're taking a little stop, little break. We've been on the road for almost 3 hours, so we're stopping by a little wayside here to do our potty break and then maybe get some coffee and a snack or something. So so we'll get our snack, we'll get our coffee, and then we'll continue the journey. All right, see you when we get up there. Okay, I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out on video, but there's some really amazing views up here in Cagayan Valley. I want to see if I can make this come out on video, hopefully a little bit. Yeah, we're in Nueva Vizcaya right now, in Cagayan Valley, and I don't even know how much further we have left on this trip. At least a few hours. But yeah, it's just gorgeous up here. It's really pretty. I wish I could get out of the bus and take some pictures, but I'll try to get as much as I can from inside here. Got a lot of little structures along the way, between, you know, houses, little sari stores, and just all kinds of different stuff. It's really interesting. Can imagine what it must be like in here during a strong typhoon. Yeah, they're playing a movie here in the bus. So that's where the sound is coming from, the noise, the music. Turn the music off. No, turn it off.
Grabe naman ang mga kamedya. Kahit nang magiging nurse nila.
Ako, sana din po invite niyo yung mga magiging pasyente.
Oo. Yung sa susi mo, dapat doon. May bato. Banak. Oh. Okay, malakas pa ba? Okay na po. Okay, wala tayo. Malakas pa na po. Ah, sinong na ako ng nurse ko. Ano na ba?
Konti na lang po naniniwala na ako.
Ito naman. Sige tayo, tulog muna ako. Ay, may discount na. Oo, basta ganda niyo yung feedback sa site. Ay, bata. Thank you. Right. Oh.
Lapit na. Lapit na, Canada.
Tapos lapit na. Lapit na. Ano? Akala ko ba kailangan mo ng pera?
Kasi, para umaga sa siya ng buwan. Hirap na manager, baka magkakawin yan. Mas madami ko.
No. Pero mas mamimiss ka niya. Tama.
Salamat sa lahat ng tulong niya.
Brad, kala ko sana mag-apply ng loan sa bangko eh. Agad-agad. O kaya lang, baka matagalan yung proseso, saka baka tumigil yung puno ng kailangan ko. Uy! Ah! Yung mga to, hindi lang naman akong konting tulong pampunan eh. Pagsimula lang, pag nakabawi-bawi, babayaran ko rin kayo agad. Ikausap ko din naman ako iba pa investors. Hindi naman yung sa trial, di ba? Sige. Nakikitang tangan. Nakikitang tangan. Okay? Nakikitan. Ako kasi may namadali. Ito ang biro yung pinapasok mo eh. Pag yung pumalya, inulubog ka sa utang yan. Kailangan ko na to. Para sa future. Future kasama Nina. Alam mo tol, pinapaalala ko lang. Aalis yun. At hindi ka makakasunod. Paano kung mag-stay? Paano kung mapakita ko sa kanya na hindi na niya kailangan pumunta ng Canada para magkaroon ng magandang buhay? Kung kaya ko nang ibigay dito sa Hong Kong. Tol, ilalaban mo.
Ito, nandito na ako. Okay? Anong floor mo? Pagod na ako, ha? Hello? Yan.
Hi, ma'am! This way, please! This way, madam. Excuse me. This bag should follow. Tara.
Anong post na to?
Kaya, ako? Ako na naman sasalo sa iyo. Ako na ang sasalo sa sarili ko kung sakaling matapangan ako. Anong pansinan ko kaya? Hindi ko hindi patawarin mo ako. Pero wag mo naman akong tanggalin ng pagkakataon makabawi sa iyo. Nagtitiwala naman. Okay.
Congratulations! So for now, we just have to go to your country. But for the meantime, sa kaya natin yung employers, like card, bills,
Madaling isipin sa araw-araw niya. Ang kasama niya. Hindi ka madaling na matulog. Kaya anak, na-aksidente ako. Nawala. Nawala lang. May papakain sa pamilya. Ginawa ko lang na akala kong tama. Ang sa inyo ng mga panahon niya. So now we are Bang. Oh, Bang. Bang. Nueva Vizcaya. We are just over we just went over 5 hours on the road. So yeah, my butt's getting a little stiff, as are my legs. Be nice to get off of this bus and stretch out. One more hour? I was thinking like an hour and a half, but what do I know? This is my first time making this trip. Bang. There used to be a guy on YouTube that lived here. I watched a couple of his videos when he was walking around these streets here. I think his name was Jeremy or something. Like, anyways, expat. Solano.
Commercial center.
You hear that? The commercial center of Nueva Vizcaya. pretty good sized town. So we're getting close. So what do you think, about another 20 minutes? Half an hour?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh, wow, we're really close then. Okay. Almost there, guys. Almost there. We are in Bagabag. The bus just dropped us off. Took 6 hours. From Dagupan City, that took us almost exactly 6 hours. And it's good to be off that bus. But boy, I tell you what, we saw some beautiful sights on the way. Going through Cagayan Valley and Santa Fe. And then we dropped into Bang, and then Santa Fe, Solano, Bumbong, all that stuff. So we made it. We are finally here. Now we're off to our next destination.
This is we call junction.
This is the junction.
It's going to Isabela.
This is all the junction?
Yeah, and then the other side is going to Banawe.
Banawe, going up that way?
Yeah.
Off to the left?
Yeah.
So this is up towards
Isabela.
That goes towards Isabela.
And then the other side.
Okay. So this is it. This is Bagabag right here.
This is the junction.
This is my first time here, so hey, I'm always up for a new scene, new change of scenery. I can dig it.
The Bagabag proper is still there.
Alright. Well, we'll learn more as we go, or I will anyways. So anyways, yeah, so from Dagupan City to Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya took 6 hours. 6 hours, pretty much right on the nuts. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for coming along, and I'm tired and a little bit hungry, and I'm sure she is too. So
Ate said they have food there.
so we'll remedy that situation. All right, guys, take it easy. God bless. Love you. Be safe. We'll see you soon. All right, bye bye.